The world is moving so fast, there just isn't time to wait for emails to go back and forth between people. At Extra Space Storage, I'm responsible for all of IT across the whole organization, 4,000 employees and 1,800 stores. Moving to Office 365 obviously had a lot of change. There was new ways of doing things, new tools, and there was a lot of concern about really making sure our users understood how to leverage all of this. We were introduced to BrainStorm by Microsoft as a great tool to increase the learning capabilities of our users. I guess I thought that BrainStorm might just be another one of those training tools with lots of videos out there available for our users to look at. So initially we assigned just really basic skill paths to introduce them to Teams, OneDrive, that just gave them the basics to get started. I expected a spike at the beginning, but what was real exciting was the continuous usage as they expanded their knowledge and started to learn things beyond what we had originally assigned to them. The only thing I can attribute it to is the engagement engine, those weekly emails that keep users engaged in the training and coming back to learn more. One of the most interesting results for me was being able to watch as the number of chats increased, the number of emails that were sent has actually declined. We've been able to eliminate 5 other chat tools that we had prior. We've actually customized BrainStorm in several ways, including our own content, curating our own skill paths, and utilizing it for things like security training that we need to give everybody across the organization. My team can really now focus on adding business value and really leveraging the Office 365 platform in ways that really improve business process or efficiencies or other capabilities that we didn't have before. Working with BrainStorm is just frictionless. They're a great partner and certainly make me look good at Extra Space.